Add gorgeous foil details and designs to fabric with Deco Foil Fusible Spray Adhesive by ThermOWeb. The package comes with 6.5 ounces of permanent adhesive in an aerosol can with a spray nozzle. Fusible Spray Adhesive was designed to work specifically with Deco Foil Transfer Sheets, which come in a wide range of colors and designs. It also pairs perfectly with stencils, especially Deco Foil designer stencils. To use the Fusible Spray Adhesive, place your stencil or design on your fabric. Spray a medium coat of adhesive on top. Then, peel off the stencil and let the adhesive dry for 10 minutes. Set your iron to the high setting with steam and allow it to warm up. While the iron warms up, cut a piece of foil slightly larger than the design and place it on top with the color side facing up. Then, cover it with parchment paper. Hold your iron over the design for 10 seconds. Remove the parchment paper and allow the foil and adhesive to cool for 1 to 2 hours. You'll be left with a gorgeous foil design that's also washable. You can also create a gorgeous brushed metal look with the Fusible Adhesive Spray. Create gorgeous foiled home decor projects, fashion pieces, and so much more with Deco Foil Fusible Spray Adhesive by ThermOWeb.